Hello, physics classes. Your activity today will connect your current ideas about energy to an online simulation. Keep in mind this is a graded assignment and you're expected to complete it in class. What isn't completed in class, you have to do at home. It's not guaranteed that you'll get more time in class to finish. When you open up the simulation, it looks like this. We're going to be using the systems mode of the simulation. When you open up Google Classroom, you won't get to the simulation right away until you've answered some questions about your ideas about what energy is and the different forms of energy there are. Notice that in the top part of the screen, there's little symbols with small e's in different colors. These represent the different forms of energy in the system. When I say system, I mean two or more objects interacting. Currently, on the screen, the system can include the water faucet, the sun, a water kettle, a human with a bicycle, a wind turbine or a turbine, which is like a wheel, a solar panel, boiling water. This one's called an incandescent light bulb, a fluorescent light bulb, and an electric fan. Here's an example. A system is two or more objects interacting. These objects can interact with each other and cause the energy to change. In this specific system, there's a tea kettle, a turbine, and an incandescent light bulb. The energy in this system starts as thermal energy. I can tell because as the water heats up, I see little red boxes inside the tea kettle, and the form of energy that matches to is thermal. Then I see those little red boxes turn white, making it transform into mechanical energy. The mechanical energy goes into the turbine and turns into electrical energy because the boxes are now blue. Once the electrical energy goes into the light bulb, it can turn into either thermal energy or light. I see both different colors of the boxes. Now it's up to you to describe your own example and create your own system and describe how the energy transforms based on your observations. You're also going to create another system where the energy stops transforming. That part of your assignment is all posted on Google Classroom and turned in today. It's a Google form and you must submit it in order to get credit. If you don't submit it today, you're not able to save any of your work. The last part of your assignment is to compare 3 different methods for transforming energy into a light bulb in the simulation. In Google Classroom, you'll see a second assignment, and it'll say in the title, "Do this second." It's a Google Doc where you will type out a claim evidence reasoning for which is the best way to light a light bulb. Notice that there are 3 different diagrams to show 3 different methods, and you're going to select all these systems into the simulation. And compare how the energy changes. So using your observations of these 3 methods, you have to decide how you would answer this question. What is the best way to light a light bulb? Your writing is going to go in the orange box. At the bottom of the page, you'll see sentence starters that are optional. If you're having a hard time answering the question on your own, you can use these to make your sentences. And again, they're optional. If you have a way of answering the question that makes sense to you, you don't have to use these. All the work that goes in this orange box is being graded. Your score for your claim evidence reasoning will replace the score that you got for the movie paragraph the last month. There's no wrong answer unless you don't complete the assignment. Any of the methods can be justified as being the best method. It just depends on what you choose as your reasons. As part of your work today, you're expected to make good decisions about how you use class time to complete this assignment. Stay focused. Stay focused. It's okay to mess around with the simulation as long as you return back to the assignment and turn in your writing. A 4 on this assignment means that you're able to identify a clear claim that answers the question. Your evidence, you have 2 pieces of evidence that are related to your claim and connected to the simulation. And your reasons support why your evidence support your claim. Your reasoning really makes it clear the connection between your observations of the simulation and why a certain method is the best. When you're finished with your claim evidence reading, make sure that you hit submit or turn in on Google Classroom so you can get credit. Good luck.